Glory to Jesus Christ! Before you start watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and be sure to comment, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you don't miss new videos. The Volkswagen company presented a version of the electric crossover ID.4 prepared for heavy off-road. It is called ID Extreme, still has the status of a show car. The main design change of the VW ID.4 was a more powerful power plant. Its output was immediately increased by 65 kilowatts 88 horsepower, compared to the most productive serial version of the model, the ID.4 GTX, up to 285 kilowatts 387 horsepower. VW does not specify how this was achieved, but mentions an alternative motor on the rear axle and updated software. ID VW Extreme is also distinguished by increased ground clearance and suspension reconfigured according to rally principles, off-road rubber on 18-inch wheels, and a number of thematic accessories. Among them, for example, a power bumper in front, extended wheel arches, aluminum protection of the bottom, and a light beam on the roof. Also, a special soundtrack was developed for the crossover, which will be played while driving. Live Volkswagen ID. The Extreme will make its debut at the meeting of fans of electric Volkswagens in Locarno. As the head of the product line on the MEB platform, Silke Bagchik said, based on the community's reaction to the concept car, a decision will be made whether to launch such a special version into mass production. As a reminder, serial ID.4 was updated at the end of the summer, so far only for the US market. The crossover received an extended list of options and the most affordable version with one motor and a compact battery.